and welcome to Learn Code Read. Today I am going to start with the Pre-Reader Express course on Code.org. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. If you have missed my previous videos of Coding for Kids series, then please click on the link above. This course is a combination of course A and B, which is best suited for age group 4 to 8 years. Using my videos, you can parallelly start doing this course or course A. Once you will complete the course on Code.org, they will issue a completion certificate. To start with, open a web browser. Here I am going to use Google Chrome. Now let's open code.org. Now let's log in with your credentials. Click on sign in. So this is our dashboard. Click on find a course. Now click on grades K to 5, learn more button. Now click on Pre-Reader Express. This is the entire plan of the course. Today we'll start with lesson 1, learn to drag and drop. As name suggests, this is a basic lesson with 12 puzzles which will help you learn mouse operations. If you already know how to use mouse, you can quickly finish the lesson. In description box below, I will share a link of internet safety video for kids, which is part of course A. Please check the same. Now let's begin with the puzzles. Puzzle 1. In this puzzle, you need to click the block. If you don't know to read, you can click on this button, which will help you to understand the words and how to read them. Click on the play button so you can hear the instructions. Now click on the exit button. You need to click on this apple block to complete this puzzle 1. To click, you need to hold the mouse, drag the pointer to the apple block and then press the left button and immediately release the button. Here you will get the continue button to continue to the puzzle 2. If you like this puzzle, you can press the like button or you can press the sad button. Now click on continue. In puzzle 2, you need to drag the block to the target. You can listen the instruction by clicking on this play button. Now click OK. To drag the block to the target, you need to hold the smiley block first. To hold, press the left button, then move the block, move the mouse to the center and now release the left button. This way you will finish your puzzle 2. For puzzle 3, arrange the blocks to form the image. You need to match the 2 blocks and form the image and identify it. Again, to drag the block in center, you need to hold the mouse, press the left key, move the mouse and don't release the left button until you reach in the center. Now you can release the left button. This way you can finish your third puzzle. Continue. In fourth puzzle, it's the same puzzle but with different image. So now I want you to try it on your own. How we will do it? Hold the block, drag the block and release the button. See, it's simple, right? Now continue for puzzle number 5. Arrange the blocks to form the image. This time we have 3 blocks and we need to design a fish. Okay. Now which block will come first? The first block will come first. So hold it, drag it and release it. Hold it, drag it and release it. Hold it, drag it and release it. Hooray! We completed this. Now in puzzle 6, arrange the blocks to form the image. This time the blocks are not in order. So we need to pick first which block will come. So first we'll pick the block with eyes. Then we'll pick the block with tongue. And then we'll pick the block with legs. Hold, drag and release. Continue to puzzle 7. Now this time we need to arrange the blocks to get the tree. So which block will come first? The second block. Hold, drag and release. Now the middle one. Now the last one. Now we are on puzzle number 8. This time we are creating a flower. So first let's take this last block. Now the middle block and the last block. Hold, drag and release. Puzzle 9. In this puzzle, we need to form an image of a house. These blocks are attached. First, we need to detach them. Okay, now we need to identify which part will come first. So this chimney part will come first. So hold, drag and release. Now this part will come, right? So move it and release it. And now the last part. What's the step we need to follow? Hold, drag and release. Continue to puzzle 10. Here in puzzle 10, we need to form an image of a computer. So let's first detach the parts. Okay. Now which part will come first? The uppermost part. Hold, drag and release. Now the second part. Now the third part. We have completed puzzle 10th as well. Now let's continue to puzzle 11. Now we need to put numbers in order, and numbers are in the form of blocks. So first we'll put number 1. First detach them and then drag number 1. Now hold and drag number 2. Now number 3. Let's move to the last puzzle, that's the 12th puzzle. In this puzzle, we need to put blocks in the order, number blocks, okay? So this is the area where you will get blocks and this is the workspace. So you need to drag your blocks from blocks to workspace area. Now let's hold the block 1, drag it here and release it. Now same with number 2. Now block of number 3. So we completed this lesson with 12 puzzles. So this is the next lesson which we'll cover in next video. I'm sure you all are now familiar with how mouse works. I have designed a worksheet for more practice. To get the worksheet, click on the link provided in the description box below and fill the required information. I will send the worksheet. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Thanks for watching.